the heads of state directed, 1, immediate ceasefire by all parties. 2, withdrawal, including all foreign and armed groups, and directed the chiefs of defense forces to meet within 1 week and set new timelines for withdrawal and recommend appropriate deployment matrix. And 3, that this process be accompanied by dialogue. And 4, violations of this agreement be reported to the chairperson of the Summit of Heads of State for immediate consultations with members of the summit. The summit directed all troops contributing countries to immediately deploy and urged the Democratic Republic of Congo to facilitate deployment of troops from the Republic of South Sudan, Republic of Uganda, Burundi to the East African Regional Force. And 7, the heads of state reiterated their decisions at the high-level consultative meetings held in different parts of the region, including Sharm el-Sheikh.